Right, so I made these. I drilled a hole of 4 mil, as you can see. They're a little bit too thin. So I had a few more twines of this fiber. I rolled them up, put them in the epoxy, and now they have to cure. I took the strands from here, I took these strands out. I have a lot of this stuff left. This is just a leftover piece I had. So that's an update on the Axis repair. Now I'm going to do the fillets another time, the second time. I already did them, but I also made this more level. Well, you can put a little fillet there. Okay, see ya.